Hi, kindergarten. I wanted to read to you a Thanksgiving story today, and the Thanksgiving story I picked was Who Will Carve the Turkey This Thanksgiving? It's by Jerry Pallotta and David Bidersky, and when you open up the book, here we have the title page, and we're going to keep opening, and that is the first page of our story. I'm going to flip our camera around so you can see the pictures a little bit better as I read the story to you. Alright, so as I had said, the title is Who Will Carve the Turkey This Thanksgiving? Today is Thanksgiving. Skip to page. Mom always cooks a wonderful meal, but who will carve the turkey this year? A killer whale would be a good choice, but why is it staring at me? Yikes! Maybe Mom could use a saber-toothed tiger, but they are extinct. We'll never find one. How about a Tyrannosaurus Rex? No, they probably never brush their teeth. A polar bear could carve the turkey with one swipe. But whap! Its paw might knock it out of the window. A great white shark would be perfect, but it would scare the whole house. I think it would scare me if a great white shark was in my house. Leaf cutter ants could carve the turkey, but who wants to eat a zillion tiny slices? Huge elephant tusks are too smooth, and the elephant might eat all the stuffing. See the elephant sucking up the stuffing. I know, piranhas are a possibility, but they would want my fingers and toes for dessert. He does not look happy about that. Mom could ask a swordfish to carve the turkey. Watch out! He'll cut the table in half. What are you doing, sneaky coyote? Bring that turkey back right now! We could ask a sea lion. That's silly. Stop bouncing the turkey on your nose. See what he's bouncing on his nose? A hippo has too big of a belly. A skunk is too smelly. And a moose could tip over the cranberry jelly. Hey, look who's here! I guess that settles it. Grandpa will carve the turkey, just like every year. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving, kindergarten. I hope you enjoy your time with your family.